Hello students, today in this video we will discuss the answers of exercise question of unit 1.2 odd one in. First of all, you have to read the whole lesson aloud at least twice. Now we'll begin with the second question. Here you have to write down about Malti and Rima. You have to describe these two girls by your own imagination and the information which are given in the textbook in the lesson. You can take the help of these points like appearance, studies, singing, attitude to others and weak points. Here these points are given. You have to take the help of these points and you have to imagine that you are Malti as well as Rima. And you have to take the information which is given in the lesson like appearance. So you have to here write it down about how was in appearance Malti, how was she. You can write over here in appearance she was simple, and for the Rima she was smart. Then the next point is studies. How was in studies Malti, she her English was not good but she was good in mathematics. Same way you have to write down for Rima, and then singing and attitude to others. Next question is, imagine you are Malti, write about any one event in the story from Malti's point of view. Here you have to imagine that you are Malti and you have to write down any event, any story which is already given in the lesson, and you have to consider yourself as you are only Malti. Next question is, how do you behave with your classmates? Write about your attitude and behavior in the appropriate column. How do you behave with your classmates, with your friends? You have to write down in 3 columns, that is always, sometimes and never. Few points are given. For example, ask others for help. Here, ask others for help. Here, whether you take the help of others always or sometimes or never. You have to write in the column. Then refuse help, whether you refuse to give help to others always or sometimes or never. The same way other points also, like judge others by their appearance or judge others by their accent. Next question is, talk about your strength, your weakness, the changes that you would like to see in yourself. You have to write at least 3 lines about each. Like your strength, what is your strength? Like your English can be your strength, or your interest towards co-curricular activities, or your strengths can be your nature, that friendly nature. Then your weakness, for your weakness also you have to write down 3 times. And the changes that would you like to see in yourself, 3 changes also you have to write it here. Next question is it necessary to develop a good accent? Accent means pronunciation. Is it necessary to develop a good pronunciation, and why? Why is it necessary? And what efforts can you take to improve your pronunciation? First question is it necessary to develop a good accent? Your answer can be yes. And then why is it necessary to develop a good accent? You have to write down the reason. And you have to write down the efforts which you will take. If your pronunciation is not good, what efforts you will take to improve your pronunciation? Next question is, list all the adverbs that end with ly from the passage. Adverbs. Adverb means what? The words which tell something more about verb. Now which are the verbs? Dance, play, sing, eat. These are what? Verbs. So here I am talking to you that the words which tell something more about verbs are called adverbs. For example, she dances. Dances is what? Verb. She dances nicely. Nicely word is used for the verb. So nicely will be adverb. And the spelling of nicely is Nicely. So this nicely word is ending with the letter ly. So this will be adverb in the sentence. The same way you have to find out all the adverbs which are given in the passage, and all the adverbs are ending here with ly and write over there. Next question is nouns. You all know the meaning of noun. Noun means the name of person, thing, animal or object. And some nouns are about a particular animals, or places or person or object. So they are called proper nouns, and some nouns are used for the common thing, for common animal, common people, common object. They are called common nouns. For example, if I am talking that Riya is a smart girl. Here Riya, I have specified the name of a particular girl. I have specified the name of a particular girl, Riya. So Riya will be here proper noun. And if I am telling girls are smart, girls are smart. So here I have not specified the name of any particular girl. In girls, any girl can be. So girls here is a common word. So girls will be common noun. And if I am telling that Riya is a smart girl, so Riya will be proper noun. And so we can say here two types of noun, common nouns and proper nouns. That these are the common nouns like girl, boy, town, river, table, pencil, bag and road, etc. And proper nouns are names like Sangeeta, Rahul, name of the place like London, Nashik, Sayadri, Pravara, etc. Now you have to find out at least 5 common nouns and 5 proper nouns from the textbook and write it down. And now children, one very important thing, that proper nouns are always written in capital letters. Their first letters are always capital. And some proper nouns have more than one, two or more than 2 words. And all the words first letter are written with capital letters. For example, Seva Hospital. Here the name of the hospital is specified. So Seva Hospital is the name of a hospital. This is the proper noun and both the words first letter is capital. The Times of India. This is the name of a newspaper. Only one newspaper's name. The particular newspaper's name is given. So here all the words first letter are capital. Now children, you have to find out at least 5 proper nouns which are in 2 or more than 2 words and write it down. Thank you.